Mental health is a word everyone's heard before. In the past years, it has been ignored, but the concept of mental health has an effect on everything, whether you know it or not. Mental illnesses such as depression, anxiety can have numerous and drastic effects on society. Well-known symptoms of these, such as suicidal tendencies, alcohol abuse, and personality changes, only stem from overlooking these illnesses. At Dawn Healthy Minds, we give you the tools to understand mental health and train you to manage it effectively. Hello, my name is Dr. Daljeet Kaur and I'm a consultant psychiatrist from Hyderabad. I've trained and worked in the UK for over a decade and have practiced psychiatry at a number of hospitals in the UK like Kent, Scotland and Greater Manchester. I have relocated to India 5 years ago and have been working at corporate hospitals at Hyderabad. After completing my General Management for Healthcare Executive course from the reputed IIM Bangalore, I founded Dawn Healthy Minds, my initiative for mental health training and education. Dawn stands for Dr. Daljeet's Awareness and Wellness Network. Dawn focuses on spreading awareness about mental health in the fields that are often overlooked. For instance, the corporate sector. Yes, understanding mental health in personal capacity is important, but it is equally important in hospitals, communities, universities, schools, and corporates. This is why our workshops are tailored to the context of our clients. So what do our workshops offer? I focus on what is necessary for each situation. For corporates, this is communication, stress management, depression, and anxiety management. For the workplace, preventing sexual and physical harassment is focused on. When reaching out to schools, issues like peer pressure, suicide prevention, anxiety, and gender education are discussed. For hospitals though, mental health first aid is propagated. These are only a few examples of what Dawn offers. Individually, I also offer consultation, counseling for various mental illnesses. For further information about our workshops and training, please visit dawnhealthyminds.com. My workshops and counseling sessions focus on the quality and addressing my clients' existing issues. The way Dawn differs from other services is that the emphasis is put on psychiatry. Mental health is essentially a field of medicine, and having a qualified professional, a psychiatrist, provide insight on your field is the same as actually uprooting issues before they can manifest. In the past, Dawn's clients have given feedback for our services. I am proud to say that we have completed 1 year at Dawn and that we have and we will continue to live up to the standards set for ourselves in this field. You can be confident that our quality is unwavering, as are our services. I want you to trust in Dawn to help shape mental health wherever you work. Have a good day. Thank you.